everybody, Shane McCarthy here from Swift Pain Relief. Here today to show you what comes in the Hideout Pro wireless box. Now, the Hideout Pro is easily our most sought after product. It is our favorite, mainly because it's wireless. It is also FDA and Health Canada approved, so it is covered under most extended medical plans and even some auto insurance and WorkSafe insurance plans as well. Getting right into it. This is the Hideout Pro device. As you can see on here, you got the channel 1 button flashing as well. There's 12 different modes on there. The intensity is at 0 right now, but can go all the way up to 20. So this thing packs quite the serious punch. It also comes with 2 receivers, 1 and 2 here. Now this device can handle up to 6 receivers, but it only comes with 2. So if you do want another receiver, please check out swiftpainrelief.com. We have these receivers for purchase up to, again, this can use up to 6 channels. It also comes with some circular electrode pads, some rectangle electrode pads, a larger sticky pad for your back, core, hips, legs. Also can be used very well for monthly cramps for women. And it comes with a couple of 8-inch cables to connect the smaller electrodes. I will get to that in a second. Also, the auricular therapy clips. You put these little bad boys on your ears and it's amazing for headaches, migraines, and TMJ syndrome. Also comes with a dual port charger for you to charge the receiver and the device at the same time. Now, getting into the pro tips, when you're using the receiver and the cable for the sticky pads, keep in mind that these receivers have 2 connections on the back. Both of those need to be occupied. What I mean is the pads need to be able to connect to each other to create the current inside your body to help you treat, recover, and prevent. Now you can see these are both connected into the receiver. Turn it on, place on your body where you're experiencing the pain. Ideally, you would like to put these pads around the pain. Make this pad connect to this pad through your pain. It will help you out immensely. Another good pro tip for you too is to always make sure that you have the perfect conductor spray so that when you're done with the sticky electrode pad, you can give it a quick spray. And you can actually visibly see how this is going to keep your pads adhesive and stickier for longer. It should last you 6 to 12 months depending on how much you're using them as well. It also does disinfect and degrease them. Now that is the Pro package. Our Pro Plus package is typically the package that most people go with, simply because it comes with the perfect conductor spray. It also comes with the AccuBelt, which you can see it's on the leg or arm here. It has a large and small strap so you can put on your back, hips, core, as well as the small strap so you can put it on your arms and legs as well. Easily the most sought after accessory that we have, the Sandals. These will perform real reflexology on your feet because of the amazing microcurrent stimulation that we have in our devices. As well, you also get one of these. A VIP membership basically gives you a lifetime warranty, which is nice. It is technology. It's nice to have a lifetime manufacturer warranty to take care of your investment. As well, we do have the Premium, the Pro Premium. That comes with everything that you've seen in this video, plus our HD massage gun. I'll let you go to www.swiftpainrelief.com to check everything out. Please email us at info@swiftpainrelief.com if you have any questions. As well, you can reach us on Instagram at swiftpainrelief.